Realize that God is love. Realize that God loves you unconditionally. Realize that God is the only truth in your life. Realize that He is a loving God. Realize that God is a forgiving God. So what you are struggling today, don't be anxious and worry. Simply come unto God for a word of prayer. Realize the goodness of God in your life, and you will shine for others. Live a godly lifestyle as much as you could. This is just a share and a reminder to each and every one of us.